Hello and welcome to our video on understanding credit scores and reports. Credit scores and reports are an essential part of financial management, and understanding them is crucial for anyone who wants to make informed decisions about their finances. In this video, we will cover the basics of credit scores and reports, and why they are important. So, what exactly is a credit score? Simply put, it is a number that represents your creditworthiness. Your credit score is calculated based on a variety of factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit used. The higher your credit score, the more likely you are to be approved for loans, credit cards, and other forms of credit. A credit report, on the other hand, is a detailed record of your credit history. It includes information about your credit accounts, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages, as well as your payment history, account balances, and credit inquiries. Lenders use your credit report to assess your creditworthiness and decide whether to approve your application for credit. Now, let's talk about why credit scores and reports are so important. Your credit score and report can have a significant impact on your financial life. A high credit score can help you qualify for lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, which can save you money over time. On the other hand, a low credit score can make it harder to get approved for credit or result in higher interest rates and fees. One of the best ways to maintain a good credit score is to use credit responsibly. This means paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and avoiding opening too many new credit accounts at once. It's also important to check your credit report regularly to make sure there are no errors or fraudulent activity. In conclusion, understanding credit scores and reports is essential for anyone who wants to make smart financial decisions. By keeping an eye on your credit score and report, you can take control of your financial future and make sure you're getting the best possible deals on loans and credit cards. Thank you for watching our video on understanding credit scores and reports. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and advice.